What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can copy your WhatsApp link on your mobile phone. So please make sure you watch the full video and follow every step that I'm going to show you so that you can copy your WhatsApp link on your mobile phone. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first, you have to go to your notepad. You can go anywhere to type something. So what you need to do type is like this: https://wa.me/. So after typing this, please be careful while typing this so you can copy your WhatsApp link to make sure this is correct way. So after typing this correct link, you have to put your phone number here like this. You have to put your country code first. So I'm living in Bangladesh, I'm putting my country code like this plus 8801. Okay, after putting the country code, you have to put your mobile number here so you can copy your WhatsApp link. I'm going to put mine. After putting the mobile number, you have to copy this. You have to tap on this and click on select all. Then you have to copy this. Otherwise, you can open this link here. If you can see a option like this open, you have to click on this open. Otherwise, you can copy it and paste it on your mobile phone browser. Then you can find your profile link. So after copy, select this. You have to click on open. Here you can see this is my profile link for my WhatsApp. So this is how you can find your WhatsApp link in your mobile phone. I hope you like this video and find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.